We're at 320 West Zaragoza. We're standing in the front yard here, and before we go inside, just want to show you how close we are to the baseball stadium and Main Street. So those cars are driving on Main Street. You can see Vince Webb's Park right over there for the baseball park. Heading back, we'll go into the property now. So this is an older style home. It's been refurbished. Going into the front door, we have laminate flooring throughout the home. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Right now we're standing by the front door. This is the main living area. We have the formal dining room, which has these beautiful columns and chandelier and lots of windows, so extra good lighting in here. Turning back towards the front door. Off of this first main living area, we have one of the bedrooms. So this is on the front right of the home. And then we have our closet back there. Very tall ceilings in this home. It's an older home, so got a lot of unique characteristics in it. The original doors and hardware are still here. We'll go back through the dining area. We'll take you to the short hallway off the dining area. Here is bedroom number 2. This is another guest bedroom. Heading back out, we'll come to our first full bathroom. So this is bathroom number 1. We have a tub and shower here, and then a single sink vanity. Coming back out, we are back in the dining room. Continuing on through the home, we'll come to our kitchen. So we're now towards the back side of the home. We have this beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and the laminate flooring is continuing throughout this portion of the home as well. So here is that kitchen. You can see our front door through that doorway as well. And then here is our family room. We have this large brick fireplace and chandelier. We have some skylights in here as well. So this is definitely a more formal living space. We have another bedroom and full bathroom through this short doorway here. So here is the 3rd bedroom. This is the larger of the bedrooms. Not quite on the back side of the home, but almost. And then we have 2 large closets. The raised ceilings really give a light and open feeling. And then we have the flat screen TV mounted on the wall. And now we'll show you the bathroom. So this is full bathroom number 2. Lots of good space in there, another tub shower. And then we are back in the living room. And then on the back, we have our laundry room. This is a very good sized laundry room. We do have a sink here as well and some extra storage space. Coming back out, we will go to the backyard now. We do have a covered patio, and then we have a 2-car garage as well. So here is that patio space. You can see there's some newer construction homes around. And then we have side yard, backyard, and then there is our garage. Now, if we continue to walk this way, you'll see we have lots of parking space. We have all of this side yard here as well. The property does come completely enclosed. There are gates on both sides. And here is that backyard again. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 320 West Zarragossa Street, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.